Although a very popular fabric, denim is definitely not one of the easier materials to work with. And if you own a lot of pairs of jeans, you'll know that to tailor your denim you must have the right tools to fix rips, tears or alterations to work with this tough fabric. Any regular sewing machine won't do when working with jeans, and you may need to invest in a special sewing machine customized to handle tougher fabrics like denim. What you will need is a sewing machine that falls in the category of heavy-duty sewing machines. These machines feature unique characteristics making them better suited for tougher fabrics. With that being said, stay tuned as we bring you our top 5 best sewing machines for jeans available in the market. Why they need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all of these items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our videos, you can check the link in the description below. And now let's start. Starting at number 5, NECCHI HD22 Mechanical Sewing Machine. The NECCHI brand of sewing machines has been renowned for their trusty models and their ability to handle thick fabrics with ease, including denim and even leather. The HD22 from NECCHI is one of those trusty models and a great choice for the best sewing machine for jeans and leather. The HD22 sports a sturdy aluminum alloy build and is ready for any kind of sewing project you put it to for years to come. With 22 built-in stitches and 5 different sewing feet to choose from, you can be sure that this machine will get any specific task done for your denim or leather project. Among the stitching features are a 4-step buttonhole and a reverse stitch lever. The machine comes with a tension control dial for even stitches on any fabric and pressure control for the right stitching speed. The machine is portable with a built-in carrying handle. And this deal comes with a bonus bundle comprised of 10 extra bobbins, an assortment of needles, a seam foot, and size 14 red tip Janome needles. Given its overall impressive performance, the one concern that seems to have come up is skip stitches. You may need to adjust the pressure skin regulators more often than usual to achieve optimal results. At number 4 is the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 Sewing Machine. Though performance is often determined by the price tag, Singer proves this doesn't always have to be the case with the Heavy Duty 4432. At under $200, this machine is packed with features and performance that higher-end models have to offer while remaining budget-friendly. It has a motor capable of reaching a very high maximum speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, and a tight presser foot with adjustable pressure. With an all-metal frame, this machine is stable and durable like all the heavy-duty models and is ideal for frequent denim or other heavy-duty projects. This machine has 32 different stitches to choose from, including a 1-step buttonhole. For making your stitches stronger, there's a reverse stitch option available. Stitch length, zigzag width, and tension can all be adjusted to make the right stitch for your fabrics, thick or thin. Other features in this model include an automatic needle threader and a free arm. To accompany your Singer product is an assistant app with tutorials and lessons for new owners and beginners. The main concern regarding this machine is in its high stitching speed, and how it becomes much easier for the needle to break under this circumstance. The Singer Heavy Duty is an overall trusty machine that can take on tougher projects, and we can assure you you'll get your money's worth with this budget pick. So what do you think of our first 2 choices? Well, we have more to come, but before we proceed, would like to take the opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and then click the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming videos, and now let's continue. At number 3 is the Toyota Super Jeans J15 Sewing Machine. Toyota has been making a line of sewing machines specialized in stitching up denim. Known as Super Jeans, this line includes a lightweight yet heavy-duty model called the J15, which we'd like to call the best sewing machine for hemming jeans. At just under 11 pounds, this is the lightest machine on our list. When paired up with a built-in carrying handle, the J15 is the best heavy-duty machine for you to take on the go. Being a mechanical machine, the J15 is easy to work with. It features a dial to choose from 15 different built-in stitches, a lever for reverse stitching, and a dial for tension control that'll leave your results looking professional on most fabrics. For further ease of use, the machine includes an automatic needle threader and a top drop-in bobbin system. It comes with a simple built-in bobbin winder and a retractable spool pin that's attached and ready for use. Within the faceplate is a storage compartment that contains a quick advice guide for any reference you may need at the moment. There's also a free arm for stitching sleeves. The main concern among customers surrounds the product's lightweight, and that this may sacrifice stability when working with very heavy material. We always look forward to seeing what you think, so don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's check out our last 2 products. At number 2 is the Brother ST371 HD sewing machine. Brother is well known for its good quality beginner level sewing machines that offer both a variety of stitches and an easy to read interface. With a metal chassis and frame that this model offers for tougher projects, the ST371 HD is our choice for the best beginner sewing machine for jeans. This machine has what any entry-level sewer needs and more. It has the power to take on thick fabrics with ease while remaining simple to operate. The 37 built-in stitches are easy to navigate and listed on the side of the machine. The variety in decorative stitches is great for experimenting with and figuring out what styles you'd like best when moving on to more elaborate machines. To work with a variety of projects, this model includes 6 easily adjustable sewing feet which all serve their own purpose. From zippers to buttonholes to blind stitch, this machine will handle any kind of stitch. One feature that seems to be missing, however, is an automatic tension control option which may affect stitches. Despite the mention of a metal structure, the machine has many plastic components. This does not affect the performance but may affect the product's longevity. And now Janome HD1000 is our top recommended sewing machine for jeans fabric. This is a heavy-duty mechanical sewing machine with great quality and all the features you need, without any flashy extras that you might never use. With a frame and body made of cast aluminum, this model was made to last and tackle any type of project. At nearly 17 pounds, the HD1000 won't budge when stitching up heavier fabrics. This machine is equipped with 14 built-in stitches to get the job done with high-quality results. The adjustable stitch length and zigzag width dials allow for customization and durable stitching on any fabric type. The reverse stitches feature comes with a simple lever so you can easily reinforce stitches on the trickier heavy material. It also includes a 3-piece feed dog system that allows for smooth feed, especially with pile fabrics and quilts. The machine includes a free arm for stitching sleeves or hemming pants and an automatic needle threader. The HD1000 comes with accessories including bobbins, needles, screwdrivers, a soft cover, hard case, and 4 different types of stitching feet for extra versatility. Overall, the great quality and practicality of the Janome HD1000 are why we nominated our editor's choice. It will get any job done, with just enough customization, and without any fancy complications that other machines in this price range have. And there you have it, the top 5 best sewing machine for jeans. Whichever one you choose to get based on your needs and preferences. We hope you found our list helpful. If you can't something you like, just check out the link in the description box to catch that item at its best offer. Also, let us know if there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see in an upcoming video. Write your comments and suggestions and our research team will get to work to give you a fair and square product review. Stay up to date with our latest videos by tapping a bell icon. And to become part of the growing online community, subscribe to our channel. By doing so you get the chance to watch even more videos. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching the Women's Corner channel.